see, this is Polly's group at 5 weeks old. 4 boys and 1 girl. There is Preston. Preston, you chewing on my shoe. Percy. Aw, Paisley gonna take a nap. Prince, are you playing? You playing? Yeah. We found it for you. And little Panga. Come on, Panga, come on out. Come on out. Oh, you want to sit there and get your little belly rub? Huh? Belly rubs. Preston, you're a cutie. Yes, you are. So is Panga. Yeah. Oh, you want to play? Yeah. Does Prince want to play? What's up, Prince? What's up, Prince? Is that your foot? You got a paw? Yes, you do. Cute, cute, cute. Kissy foot. Go get him. Go get him. Come here. Come here. What you do? Come here. The talker. Right, Paisley? Oh, jumped on out. You know your name already? Do you? You sure do. And that's just normal play. He would never hurt her. That's good interaction for puppies. It just teaches them interaction. Angus said that's enough though.